watching Drum TV. Right about now, we are outside in Melville at Handstyle Tattoos, and I'm about to get some brand new ink. Pretty excited because what's been going down, just in case you didn't know, is Ink Month. All of it is going down on Sony Max DSTV channel 128, and I was just so inspired by all them tattoos that I decided to come and get my own, adding to like the 7 that I already have. I'm going to be getting 2 little feathers on each of my sides. It's pretty deep. It made sense in my head, and I think that's what tattoos are all about. Basically just symbolizing the fact that I never really needed like these big wings to like fly. All I really needed was myself, and yeah, that's enough in life. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But if you guys want to check out even more awesome tattoos, big, small, colorful, black and white, you name it, it's all going to be out there on Sony Max and DSTV channel 128. So make sure you guys get involved. It's Ink Month right here on Drum TV, so make sure you guys check it out on Sony Max. Okay, so we are just about to do the damn thing. Got the, like, what's this thing called? A stencil. Got the stencil done. Looking pretty cool. About to get some wings on my back, some fly like that. So I just got some fresh ink, absolutely loving it. Was gonna sort of do the double side thing, but we're just gonna take it one day at a time. The paint is pretty crazy on the ribs, but I'm super happy. It was absolutely amazing. Big shout out to Sony Max, and don't forget that you guys gotta check out Tattoo Month. Right now it's all going down on DSTV channel 128. Also a big shout out to everybody out there at Handstyle Tattoos. From me, your favorite Bob Chick Mosley, it's been a pleasure, and don't forget to keep it locked right here to Drum TV.